Between Python and Java, I recommend that you start with Python, and the why is pretty easy. So on the one hand, the Python syntax is very easy, so it's easy to read and write the Python code, whereas the Java syntax, it's a little bit more cryptic to read the code. One of the concepts of Python is just simplicity, and so you can easily read and digest to the code. And Python is used everywhere, so whether you want to use web development, you want to use penetration testing, make video games, or any other thing, whether you want to do machine learning or build robotics, do something with electronic systems, Android apps, and all kind of stuff. So Python is a very general purpose language, and you can use it to build any type of application. You can automate your daily life with scripts, or you can build more software as a service or web applications, really any kind of things. So that's why I recommend starting with Python. You are much easier to start programming and create things you want, whereas with Java has a more steep learning curve, and it cannot be used in every kind of thing. Python also has a large community, and so whenever you have questions, you can easily find answers on the internet. If you want to start with Python, there's a link in the description below that lets you start with Python language quickly.